Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the neon outline text effect in CapCut for PC. Alright, I'm going to select the black screen background to the right and I'm going to add text. Let's click text, default text, and I'm going to adjust for the duration in assembly with text duration. Alright, I'm going to change for the text. Right, resize and change for the font style. Alright, select the clips and right click, select create Kanban clip. Go to effect and select the night clip. Scroll down until you find the neon outline. Just click on it. There you go, you can just for the string. There you go, that's how you can create the neon outline text effect in CapCut for PC. It's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.